Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. What happens to your body if you do not get enough sunny vitamin? When you expose your skin to the sun, your body starts producing vitamin D, also known as a sunny vitamin. It plays a very important role in the proper functioning of many organs and tissues of the body. According to a recent study, almost 40% of Americans experience a vitamin D deficiency. People who avoid being in the sun or not getting enough can have different negative consequences. We collected the most common symptoms of vitamin deficiency: sunlight and their manifestations. Weak bones. Calcium and vitamin D have long been recognized as important and essential nutrients for bone health and mineralization. Calcium is absorbed in the small intestine with the help of vitamin D. Deficiency of the solar vitamin leads to a decrease in the absorption of calcium and, consequently, to a weakening of the bone structure. People who do not receive enough sunlight suffer from bone pain, muscle weakness, rickets, osteomalacia and osteoporosis. It is very important to maintain an adequate dose of vitamin D in the body. The main sources of vitamin D are sunlight, a healthy diet and supplements. Leg deformation. Since vitamin D promotes the absorption of phosphates and calcium through digestion, it can be very useful in solving problems related to bones. The absence of calcium in the bones leads to changes in bone structure and deformation. Increasing the intake of vitamin D in the form of supplements or exposing yourself to sunlight can help many people maintain the proper level of calcium in bones and cells. Vitamin D can be used to control or prevent chronic leg pain, especially those associated with conditions such as osteoporosis, plantar fasciitis, arthritis and other inflamed joints and tendons. Colorectal cancer. Studies have shown that a low exposure to the sun and, consequently, an insufficient amount of vitamin D in the cells can eventually lead to the development of colorectal cancer. The levels of vitamin D determine the survival and growth of cancer cells. Adequate levels of vitamin D are associated with better overall survival of patients with colon cancer. Additional clinical trials are needed to assess whether addition of vitamin D can help prevent or reduce the risk of developing colorectal cancer. Find out if the levels of vitamin D are too low by taking a blood test. The optimum level is above 30 nanograms per milliliter. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.